Bought an app on Google Play, but don't like it or it doesn't work well? Don't worry, this video shows you 2 simple ways to get a refund. Method 1. Get a refund from Google Play within 2 hours. Open Google Play Store on your Android device or visit Google Play on a web browser. Go to the account icon and tap Payments and Subscriptions. Select Budget and History or Purchase History. Find the app, game, or an app purchase you want to refund. Tap Refund. This option appears only within 2 hours of purchase. Confirm your choice when prompted. Wait for the confirmation message. Refunds are usually processed immediately. Check your email for a refund confirmation from Google. Monitor your payment method for the returned funds. Method 2. Refund an application on Google Play over 2 hours. Open a web browser and go to Google Play Purchase History. Sign in with the Google account used to make the purchase. Find the app or an app purchase you want to refund. Click Report a Problem next to Got it. Select a suitable reason, for example, app not working as expected. Submit the refund request form. Wait for Google's review, usually within a few days. Check your email for Google's refund decision. If Google denies the request, contact the app developer directly via the Play Store listing.